Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at the Archibus Workplace interface, which is an interface tailored for end users. And we're going to be specifically looking at the service request functionality. So the interface still points to your core Archibus installation. There's no additional infrastructure required or anything like that, but it distills down the interface for end users, providing them an accessible interface, so easy for anyone with any needs to use, as well as a mobile-friendly interface. As we'll see in a little bit, it reflows very well onto a mobile screen, and there's even an installable app which you can use to direct people to the interface if you prefer. It is a configurable landing page. As you can see, I have some core end user services offered on the main screen. We're going to focus on our service requests today. A logged in user is able to review any requests that they've already submitted, see any status, comments, anything like that that are associated with those requests, and they can also add their own follow-up comments as well. And they're able to request services themselves. This is also configurable in terms of how services are grouped, how you direct users. You can even include external links if you wish from this interface. I'm going to report a carpet issue. Perhaps I've seen that a carpet is starting to come up from the floor in the corner of one of my rooms. So I can do that very quickly here. You also, as an administrator, have the option to configure intake questions. So these would be questions that are relevant to the specific request type that someone is putting in, giving you additional information, maybe saving some back and forth with the technicians or the personnel who are responsible for responding to the request. So in this case, I've asked whether it's a permanent decorative doormat type carpet. Really, you can ask anything you want. Again, to simplify things for the end users, you are able to search on a floor plan for where the issue is happening. You can drill down to specifics there. In my example, I'm going to say it's happening in the elevator hallway here. So we'll choose that as my location. Then I can give a more specific location, for example, maybe the northwest corner. From here, I'm able to attach images, and we'll see on the mobile device how you're actually able to snap a picture live. But from my desktop, it's a simple upload screen here. Just grab an image I have sitting on my computer. And now I can send the request in, and from here I'll be able to review it from my home page as well. And similar to service requests throughout Archibus, you'll be notified of any status changes, any comments that require your input, anything like that as the requester. From the mobile device, I do actually have the option to go directly to the Workplace interface, again, either through the web page or the installable app, but I'm actually going to add an extra layer, an optional piece here where I might have a QR code attached to a location, and I'm going to actually leverage that to link me directly to a page specific to that location. So I can see here it's actually linking me to that open workstation, and I have the option to create a request. So I might have arrived at the location, found maybe there's an issue, and I'm offered the same categories here. I can choose building maintenance. I should also note that I do have dark mode enabled on my phone, so that is why the colors are different. Again, that is a user preference so that the user can work how they wish. So I might see, you know what, maybe the outlet is broken here. I'll report a broken outlet, give a description. And again, the location is automatically set based on what I provided here. I can give a specific location or leave it as optional. In this case, I'm prompted to check for equipment, but since this is tied to the desk, I'm not going to give that level of detail. I can then include an image, and again, I can snap that image from my phone in this case. I'll just grab what's right here. And same as before, send this on in. So as you can see, the Archibus Workplace interface is an easy to use, low maintenance, flexible, responsive, and accessible way for users to enter and monitor any service requests that they might have.